Hello there, I'm coming straight to you from the stable of Wendy Style. In a special way, women have just got to appreciate the way they look when they rock their short hair. Now, short hair is a language. It is an evolution. It is something that is going to make you look younger, much younger than your actual age. Alright, so all you gotta do is to be inspired by this beautiful style. Look at the way she's bringing out those defined curves using the right product and the diffuser to straighten the curls and make them pop out. Alright, the puffs look so great on her. This is absolutely beautiful. This is the next one. Alright, she's trying to put it through. Let us know how to actually combine short combine the products or style the short hair. All right, let's see what she's going to achieve at the end of it all. I like the way she's putting it. Making it out to get that defined color. Hola, this is the final result. Yeah, she looks 10 years younger. She looks 10 years younger. And here is another one for the matured women. Alright, you want to look, spicy, elegant, beautiful and classy. Can you see the result? Can you see when you compare the hair she had on before she came and now? She's blown away. Trust me, she's flabbergasted. That's before and this is after. She's pretty. And look at those defined curves. Who can do it better than a crew cut? Alright, this is another crew cut styling and this is it. This is the after result. She's elated. Mind blowing. And trust me, I love her now than before.